Thanks for watching ERi-TV, dear viewers. Welcome to this special edition of Open Mic. As you can see, I am still here at the Eritrea hospital. Last week we brought you the Italian medical team that came here to operate on Eritreans, and this time around we are focusing on the Chinese medical team that is here on its 18th mission. So please do stay tuned and enjoy the program.
大家好，我们是中国原厄里特里亚第18批医疗队。值此新春佳节来临之际，我们祝大家马年快乐，马到成功。
We have the Chinese cooperation, long-lasting cooperation. We have technical and medical teams coming to Eritrea. With regard to the medical team, they come on an annual basis. They help us fill the gaps we have in certain areas of expertise. But most importantly, they share experience with our experts here in Eritrea. They are very useful, very dedicated and helpful. Anytime you call them, they come. They are always available, they are always willing, very cooperative, smiling, humble, and ready to work at any time of the clock.
Okay, nice to meet you. I'm from the 18th medical team. I'm team leader. 我们来到这个国家，总共现在已经有6个来月了。赶到这个国家，老百姓都非常的热情、友好。 而且在工作中，生活中，当地的同道吧，对我们也是有极大的帮助、支持。尤其是他们的认真工作的态度和执着精神，让我深受感动。
First, my name is Dr. Wang. My full name is Wang Xiaolong. I'm glad to come here and become the friend of the Eritrea people. Eritrea people is very kindly and friendly. I very like the Eritrea, and I work in Halibut Hospital. My colleague, Eritrea doctor, also very kindly and friendly. So I have a very happy time in your country, in Halibut Hospital.
I had a chance to work with the Chinese team since 1998. Almost the last 28 years, I had a chance to see them. And I had good experience with Chinese team members. At different times, there are different teams coming to Eritrea, and we as Eritreans and as Chinese on the other side, we had good time working together because we have too much experience as to open surgeries, and the Chinese, they have ample experience as to endoscopic surgeries, especially laparoscopy and uroendoscopy and other endoscopic procedures. So we had good experience with different Chinese team members. I can name some. And the current team, we are having good time together. The urology side, Dr. Wang, and the general surgery side, Dr. Lee and Dr. Dong, they are doing good job, and we have a real good experience. The other thing is there is a good discipline as to the Chinese team members. They are on time, and we have good experience sharing ideas about how to do procedures and how to handle different obstacles in surgical practices. And we got ample experience from their expertise. I think I have really good time working with the Chinese team, and we have a saying. I have some few Chinese words which I use most of the time. I'm sure Dr. Wang means in Chinese king, so I don't no more call him Dr. Wang. I call him always Dr. King. And I use some words of Chinese like I love you means in Chinese 我爱你. So always when we see each other, we say 我爱你, our brothers from China. That's what we use. And this, we have a real good experience, good exchange of working environment, experiences, and also practices. And we have also, other than the practices in surgical practice, we have other social gatherings also together with them, and we drink coffee and tea together, and we share some ideas outside of our working conditions too. So I have good experience, good practice, and I'm learning a lot from my Chinese brothers, what I say.
我叫刘凯，然后来自中国河南，然后我在厄立特里亚主要的工作是这个给病人检查超声检查。
I'm a urinary surgeon, and I work in hospital also as a urinary surgeon. Then I almost every day I do the urinary surgery in here, and in your country and in China a little different. In here maybe a lot of open operation, but in China we almost all the operation is minimally incision operation. But as a social developer, now hospital also do a lot of minimally incision operation. Most of the time I work with senior doctor. Senior is very kindly and friendly, and also at the same time, senior also is very skillful. We work together and we learn from each other. Sometimes Dr. Sene teach me how to do the open operation. At the same time, I also tell some minimally incision operation. Now, I think that Sene doctor also is skillful at the minimally incision operation. He can do a lot of, now he can do the laparoscopy, can do the ureteroscopy. Before a long time, in here, we do the BPH open from here. But now, Dr. Sene is good at TURP, use the prostatoscopy through the urethra and cut the prostate. No need incision, no need open, no need blade. Very amazing.
My name is Jia Shilei. I'm an acupuncturist. I'm very glad to be in Asmara. The people of Eritrea is very friendly and hospitable, and I like this country. And also, I'm very glad to be able to contribute to the people. And also, my colleagues at work are also very friendly and hospitable. I like them. I hope the friendship between China and Eritrea will be laster and longer.
Yeah， 我在奥洛特医院主要从事日常的影像诊断工作，包括一些技术的指导。非常高兴的是，今天我们得到了卫生部的认可，批准成立中鄂医学影像技术研究中心。接下来我们要开展几项新技术，比如说是 CT 脑灌注，磁共振的波谱分析，结肠内窥镜、气管内窥镜等等一些，对于当地的这个患者，医疗这块吧，我们可以提供更为精准的诊疗服务。
Hello, Kami Hadika, Eritrean. Yeah, I'm doctor. My name is Zhu Bingbao. I'm a Chinese medical team. Here, first the Eritrea's climate is warm and the people's very hospitality. So for like this, the Eritrea's weather, my colleagues, my the doctor Hanok, Imani Sanson, and nurses Faven, Nebiat, and Goiter, is like your weather is very hot, give me support, so make let my work run smoothly. And the people very kind, and the patient, even the patient, always how to say so kindly, so make me even far from my country, and feel my heart is warm. Yeah. So at last I want to make every Eritrean's heartbeat grow stronger, and may the friendship between Eritrea and China shall run even hotter than the Eritrea's sun.
We have a neurosurgeon, we have cardiac specialists, we have radiologists, we have medical experts, we have acupuncturists, we have anesthetists and so on. So they are usually in various areas of expertise. They vary from year to year, but all the areas are covered. Those which are covered are always consistent with the areas that our need demands. So we give a prior information as to what sort of experts that we are expecting from them, and we do a prior agreement, and they send us here, fill those gaps that I have mentioned a little earlier.
Hello everyone, I am Chen Jintao, one of the members of Chinese medical team. I am orthopedic surgery. I'm glad to be worked in Harley-Bates Hospital.
This year, our team is the 18th team. China and Eritrea has become friendly, has a long period, many years. I think that it's very good. We must, in China, we think that we must change. We change different idea. You have one idea, I have one idea. We change. You have no loft, I have no loft. You get two idea, and I got two idea. I think that as the time go on, as the social developer, Eritrea and China maybe will be more friendly, more kindly, and have a lot of translate. Maybe in the course, maybe in the future, will be become more relationship, more good, better relationship. I hope that, yes.
我觉得我在这儿的贡献是，第一，我可以以我中国学到的知识，然后来共同与厄立特里亚人民分享，与医生分享。然后第二就是掌握一些关于超声的这些手术技术，可以与这些医生们分享，然后为厄立特里亚人民提供帮助。
My name is Du Fuzhou. They all call me Dr. Du. I'm a general surgeon and the member of the 18th China medical team. We do the many general surgery such as hernia, cholecystitis, appendicitis, and so on.
I'm from China. My name is Li Dingwei. My colleagues call me Dr. Li. I'm a member of 18th Chinese medical team. I'm a general surgeon. Every day I work in Harley-Bates general operation room. We do so many general surgeries. Every day we do the patient the disease like cholecystitis and inguinal hernia, and so many. Sometimes when I come from here, I do 3 colon rectal cancers patients.
有，我们经常做培训，因为在这里我们能看到许多不同的病人， 不但有一些是在我们国家高发，还有一些是在非洲高发。然后我们会通过这些不同的病例，然后我们大家相互沟通，这个互相学习。
目前我们正在和奥洛特医院、哈里贝特医院开展很多科研合作，这些项目和科研成果吧，对于传帮带，对于特别是同行提升科研能力，包括为厄立特里亚的医学人才培养，具有长远的意义。
This is what happens in the field of medicine and surgery and other areas of sharing of experience. We have wealth of experience in Eritrea. We have very dedicated many experts. We also need additional or complementary experience from experts that come from abroad. So it's a win-win kind of sharing of experience, win-win situation. They teach us, we teach them, we teach each other, and most importantly, they fill some of the critical gaps that we have. Gaps that we hope we will fill in due time. We're not going to depend on the Chinese indefinitely. We are training doctors. Postgraduate training is well underway, and with time, we hope we are going to probably end the assistance that we require from abroad for good.
But for the time being, do you wish this cooperation to continue?
Yes, definitely. We do want it to continue indefinitely. So we even want it to be on a 2-year base. They come for 1 year and they go. So 1 year we feel is a very short period of time. Obviously, the first quarter of the year is for them to learn the culture, to adjust to the environment, to the situation, and so on. So by the time they become very well acquainted and very productive, they are gone. So 1 year we feel is not adequate. We want it to be 2 years, and we have communicated our desire, our wish for them to stay 2 years. But in general, the cooperation is very fruitful and very helpful, and we enjoy it.
I also start to learn from them to do like this patient. So I think that we learn from each other, and sometimes we discuss together, and we discuss some patient disease and how we plan to how we do the operation before we start.
The new technology is about the child inguinal hernia. Traditionally, we do this surgery by open. The incision about 5 to 8 centimeter in the inguinal area. But for us, we can do laparoscopy in about 1.5 centimeter and a very small incision. I can do it. So the child can walk after the surgery and less pain.
是第一就是这个基础知识需要大家学得更加扎实。第二就是对病人来说，不同的病，然后对于每个人来说是不一样的。我们应该这个根据以人为本，不同的病情制定不同的治疗方案嘛。
In my TV set, the CGTN, I follow the CGTN, I think the Chinese TV network, which I like. Most of the time I follow it for different ideas and news and other things. And I was following the Spring Festival, how many people are getting, like 50 million people are, I think, going back home for the Spring Festival and so on. So as the Chinese team is here in Eritrea and they have to work here with us and they are going to be away from their home, I would say happy Spring Festival, and you are always at home. And last year there was Dr. Dong, and he was a very nice surgeon, and he was telling us when he left Eritrea, I was in my second home country. And you are in your second country home, here in Eritrea. And although you are miles, 1,000 miles or 10,000 miles away from China, you should feel at home. We are always happy to work with you, and we, as Eritreans, say Happy Spring Festival, Happy New Year. And to our Eritrean counterparts, as we are learning a lot from our Chinese doctors and also the Chinese general experience in Eritrea, representing my team, I can say we are very happy to work with you. We are very happy to have Chinese teams for the last 28 or 29 years almost. And we feel that the Spring Festival is a happy holiday in China. So for those who are in China, happy holidays. For those who are remaining here for work conditions and so on, who are not going to China, we congratulate you for the Spring Festival of 2026 and New Year. And I hope we'll have good time together for the remaining months in Eritrea, and also for the next teams also. We'll have much working relations. And also as a country, Eritrea and China will work together. And I hope one day Eritrea will be like China, will prosper, because I know Chinese from 1980s. I was following the Chinese progress since 1980s, and I feel we need that type of progress in Eritrea. So we aspire to what you reached in China, and we hope one day also Eritrea and China will have bigger relationships together. And the Chinese teams, as the Chinese teams are coming here, maybe in the next 10, 20 years, the Eritrean teams will go also to China and share their experiences, and we'll have good time together in China also. The young generation especially. As I am getting old, maybe I'll not get much chance, but the younger generation of Eritreans, Eritrean doctors, Eritrean other medical personnel will go to China and will work in China with the Chinese culture and Chinese environment. By the way, I thank you for having our Eritrean culture, accustoming to our Eritrean culture and working in our environment, because it's not easy to work in a different environment, as I know. So, but the Chinese brothers here, since the last 28 years, were working in our situation, in our culture, in our environment, although it is different from China, I know.
Eritrean people and the Chinese people, for Eritrean people, I wanted to say, you are very kindly and friendly. One suggestion, in the future, I hope that Eritrean people can go to China, can visit to China, because different country, different culture, we can we can know each other more. I want to let more Chinese people can understand China. Also, in the future, I hope more Chinese people can come to Eritrea. We can understand each other. We can have a good development together.
I'm so proud to be here. Based on the relationship in China and Eritrea, I'm lucky to here to help us. And in here, we learn many from each other. Like such as Dr. Yosef can do everything. I can learn from him the surgery by the traditional traditional ways, and we can also teach them some surgery ways by laparoscopy.
Less sugar, better health. 对，这是我们接下来的一个重点工作。2月份呢，我们将与奥洛特医院同道一块启动健康减糖项目。计划招募600名志愿者，开展为期3个月的干预活动。希望通过这个项目呢，能够帮助鄂特人民有更好的健康的生活方式。
We call the Chinese only when they are required. And the majority of surgeries are conducted by Eritreans, the routine kind of surgeries. But the certain critical surgeries like neurosurgery and other areas, they come on call, on a demand basis.
Also, I like Eritrea. I love Asmara. The weather is very, very comfortable. And my colleagues, and also sometimes I call they are my colleagues, but always I call them my family. Because in here, they help us so many. Because in our life, in our work, they are always help us. They are very kind and very friendly. Also, the patient in the Eritrea very respect the doctors. Let us very warm-hearted and very happy. So I really love the life in Asmara.
Yes, there are lots of odor factors here, and the patient is very seriously. Yesterday, I have done odor fracture. The operation time lasts maybe more than 3 hours, but the surgery is very successful, and the patient recover very well. This is not only a technical breakthrough, but also a test link to a close cooperation between our Chinese medical team and the local community. I overcome all kinds of difficulties. I'm immensely grateful to be able to help the patient regain the lease on life.
As we know, our new year is coming. I want to say best wishes to my country's people, best wishes to all the people in Eritrea, best wishes to the relationship in our countries till forever.
My name is Li Zijun. I'm a spinal surgeon. I come from a Chinese medical team to Eritrea.
My name is Dong Chan. I'm one of the 80th China medical team. I'm a spinal surgery. I come from Henan province, Samxia City, China, and I work at Samxia Central Hospital, where my responsibility was outpatient, inpatient, and the operation room. I'm very glad to Eritrea and work with the local doctor. They help me a lot, but include the doctor, the nurse, and other people. They are very kind for me, and we do operation together. They give me helps, and I think we have 叫啥来着？美好的经历在这里。A good experience here, yeah. And we talk with each other and exchange the medical technology. We do, and in the operation room we do many different operations. We change the experience. Yeah, we very thankful them. Yeah.
Anything you'd like to add? Any messages? Final messages?
I think my parents is in the OPD. I feel that many people with very work hard. Yeah, very hard work hard. But many people那个叫啥来着？就是那个不是节食，就是从他们那个就叫不吃饭那个叫啥？那个的。Many people fast. They work hard, but they also need fast. I think they need more milk and eggs. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Dan.
I'm from the second affiliate hospital of Zhengzhou University. The China Eritrea Bronchoscopy Center in Eritrea Hospital is established in 2024. And now I have come to work in Eritrea Hospital for half an hour. I have performed the country's first tracheal intubation guided by bronchoscope, and other procedures we have carried out include biopsy, bronchoalveolar lavage, and removal of foreign body. And in future, maybe we will carry out more procedures. Thank you. I like Arsmala, and I like my colleagues, especially Professor Gautam and Aran. Thank you.
The Chinese medical team, they have been working with us since a long time. And we have also the team now working with us in the Department of Internal Medicine. So this center is the bronchoscopy center, and this center is established with the support of the medical team. Now it is fully run by the Eritrean experts. So this center helps us to make a diagnosis clearly as far as respiratory or pulmonary problem is concerned. So what we do is we do bronchoscopy, we identify the pathology within inside the lung. So if there is any suspicion, we can take different samples. We can do biopsy, lavage, and this is going to help us to make clear diagnosis as far as the cause of the problem is concerned.
近期呢，我们将向鄂特卫生部捐献70万纳克法的药品和医疗器械，同时我们还捐赠100期的国国影像的讲座幻灯。近期呢，我们还要捐赠200万纳克法的医学影像软件。这个感谢中国，感谢中国的卫生部、河南省卫健委，感谢三木峡市中心医院。这些物资以及软件的应用呢，会提升当地医院的诊疗能力，让更多患者受益。
During the work, Asma and Zenit give me very helpful. Because I'm a Chinese, so my English is not very poor. It's very poor, but they have me very much. They teach me English and also some Tigrinya. And now I can speak kami hadiska, kami hadiski, matkin, like this, salamu, all this, and teach the number for the hadi like this. I very thankful for them. So I like them. They are very friendship and hospitable. And my work is just do acupuncture for the patient. There are so many patients of the illness of backbone and cervical spinal losses. So I just do acupuncture for them. I hope they can be better after acupuncture.
I think this relationship has to be strengthened just for the benefit of our patients. So working together, at least we can improve and excel the service so that the quality of care is going to improve. So our patients are going to benefit more.
Yeah, our work goes far beyond the treatment and surgery. It's more than a bridge, helping to truly enhance the medical staff through technical transform and experience sharing. At the same time, I feel telling the Chinese story through practice action, embracing friendship and solidarity between the Chinese and the Eritrea peoples.
This month maybe 16th is February 16th, we will celebrate the Chinese New Year. Also, we create Spring Festival. I want to say some words to the Eritrea how the peoples. I want Eritrea persons have a very nice day every day, and they can live very happily. So, like everything as they want can become true in the 2026 year. So I hope our Eritrea more and more better, and also I want Eritrea and China can have a very deeply and good friendship forever. So I also help China and Eritrea. We are both better than before, more and more better. So in the world. So this is my words.
The New Year will come. I hope all the people will be healthy and have a good time with his family.
There are lots of changes, such as limited medical resource. The patient can't being unable to treatment timely due to some difficulties. But I overcome these difficulties one by one through training the medical staff and conducting free clinic and health education. Every time I overcome these difficulties, I have a big growth experience.
We gave him some knowledge about physiotherapy, and we got from him some knowledge about the acupuncture together. So we exchanged our knowledge together.
Okay, my name is Si Chaofeng. I'm from Sanmenxia Central Hospital, Sanmenxia City, Henan Province. I'm a member of 18th Chinese medical team. I'm specialized in anesthesia. I work here about 6 months. I like to work here. The patients, they are very grateful. The patients grateful, and the doctor and the patient's relation is very harmonious.
We want it to continue because of every year they exchange the team, and we got a lot of new things from the coming new team, and we hope to continue the team to come to our country.
The message that I give is that we are very thankful, we are very grateful for the support that they provide to us, and we want it to continue, definitely. And Eritrea is our second home. The cooperation is vibrant, very fruitful, and very, respectful. We respect them, they respect us, they respect the local context, so they are really welcome, they are part of us.
I work here with my colleague. I taught them grasp the indication of different nerve block, and here I do some new technology such as paravertebral ganglion nerve block and lumbar plexus block. They didn't do before, and my colleague, they recognize my work very well.
It's been like 7 months working together with Dr. Stone. We can call him Stone. And they have a lot of experience, especially in acupuncture. And we got a lot of knowledge and a lot of things about the acupuncture when they come here, and our working time is very good.
我觉得厄立特里亚这个无论是医生啊，还是我们的病人啊，对我们中国人都特别的和善，然后呢也特别的友好，打招呼也特别的频繁，然后在这里感觉非常的舒适，非常的开心。
Healthy relationship, and we are gaining some experience from the Chinese medical team, and they are also getting a good experience from the Eritrean experts working in the facility.
最后在新年来临之际，我代表中国第18批援鄂医疗队，送上祝福。今年正好是农历马年，马呢象征着奋进、成功和希望。衷心祝愿两国人民马年大吉，身体健康，阖家幸福。最后呢，在接下来的工作中，我们要继续和鄂特老百姓和鄂特医务人员互相学习。共同进步，为鄂特人民的健康福祉全力以赴，也为中鄂两国的医疗卫生合作贡献我们的力量。Thank you very much. Happy year for the horse. Thank you.
Thank you, dear viewers. That wraps up this week's open mic. It is good night from us.